Welcome to Learnovation Hub. Hello, everyone. My name is Jothika, and I'm here to share my story. A few years ago, I couldn't speak a single word of English confidently. Today, it has become my superpower, helping me soar as an air hostess. It all started when I decided to pursue my dream of traveling the world. But there was one major hurdle: communication. I would freeze every time someone spoke English to me. Words seemed like a puzzle I couldn't solve. It made me feel small, and I knew I had to change. The first step was recognizing that no one is born perfect. Everyone starts somewhere, and I decided to start small. I began by listening to simple English podcasts and repeating sentences. At first, it felt awkward, but I kept reminding myself, practice makes progress. Next, I surrounded myself with English. I watched movies with subtitles, read children's books, and even spoke to myself in the mirror. Yes, it felt silly, but those small efforts built my confidence day by day. One breakthrough came when I joined a local English club. There, I met people like me who were learning, and we helped each other. I learned to not fear mistakes, but to embrace them. Making errors taught me more than getting it right the first time. Over time, I challenged myself to step out of my comfort zone. I started having short conversations with travelers at a nearby airport. Each conversation was a milestone, a step closer to where I wanted to be. The day I got my first air hostess interview, I was nervous but ready. I walked in with a smile, and though my English wasn't perfect, my determination shone through. I got the job. From that day on, I've been using English every day, and it feels incredible to connect with people from around the world. So if you're struggling with English, remember this: persistence is key. Start small, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Highlighted words and their meanings. 1. Communication, the act of sharing or exchanging information, thoughts, or feelings. 2. Recognizing, realizing or accepting something as true. 3. Practice makes progress, a phrase meaning that consistent effort leads to improvement. 4. Confidence, a feeling of self-assurance or belief in one's abilities. 5. Milestone, an important step or stage in progress. 6. Determination, firmness of resolve. Persistence, the quality of continuing to do something despite challenges. Warmly, and that's my journey from zero to superpower. If I can do it, so can you. Take that first step today, and who knows, you might surprise yourself with how far you can go. Thank you for listening to my story.